Are you ready to capture your next adventure like never before? With its cutting-edge technology and compact design, the GoPro has become synonymous with action photography and videography. Whether you're hitting the slopes, biking down rugged trails, or exploring underwater wonders, the right GoPro camera can elevate your experience and help you document it all in stunning detail. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best GoPro cameras currently on the market, examining their features, capabilities, and ideal use cases. Discover which model is perfect for your lifestyle, and get ready to unleash your creativity like never before. If you want to see the price and find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure you like the video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future updates. Without further ado, let's get started with the list. Starting our list with number 5, we have the GoPro Hero 9 Black Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 9 Black is an exceptional investment for adventure enthusiasts like you. Launched as the first GoPro to capture stunning 5.3K video, it introduced a convenient front color screen that enhances usability, especially for vlogs and selfies. This model has set a high standard for design and functionality, crafting a legacy that continues to influence the brand's newer releases. While GoPro has discontinued the Hero 9, it remains a reliable and powerful camera, with Amazon being one of the last major retailers to offer it. If you've been eyeing an upgrade to your gear, now could be an ideal time to act before stock runs out. As you consider your purchase, think about how the Hero 9 fits your specific needs. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, thrilling action shots, or cherished family moments, this camera delivers exceptional performance that can elevate your shooting experience. Its flexibility allows you to explore various photography styles and share your adventures with ease. Yet while the Hero 9 Black comes with notable strengths, it's essential to reflect on your needs and compare them with the latest technology. Understanding what the Hero 9 can offer you will help you decide if it's the perfect addition to your gear. Embracing this camera could profoundly enhance the way you capture and relive your unforgettable adventures. At number 4, GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera. When you consider the GoPro Hero 10, you'll appreciate the remarkable advancements it offers, primarily due to its powerful GP2 processor. This upgrade enhances the camera's speed, allowing you to capture higher video frame rates and experience improved performance overall. Although the Hero the 10th of may not feature the larger sensor found in newer models, it still allows you to take stunning 19.6 megapixel JPG stills from 5.3K video, empowering you to unleash your creativity and make the most of every shot. One of the standout features of the Hero 10 is its innovative water-shedding lens cover, designed specifically for surf enthusiasts like you. This thoughtful addition ensures that splashes won't spoil your perfect shot, so you can focus on capturing those thrilling moments without a second thought. Investing in the Hero 10 means you're not just acquiring a camera. You're welcoming a reliable companion that will help you document life's adventures with incredible detail. Whether you're carving through waves, hiking through rugged landscapes, or capturing unforgettable moments with friends, the Hero 10 is equipped to elevate your photography and videography experience. Take a moment to watch for special sales. The Hero 10 often sees price drops that make it an irresistible deal. Embrace your journey and let the Hero 10 be your tool for telling your story brilliantly and vividly. Number 3, we have the GoPro Hero 11 Black Action Camera. If you're in the market for an action camera, the GoPro Hero 11 might just be the ideal choice for you. With its high-quality performance, the Hero 11 is a solid investment for capturing stunning footage, making it suitable for both casual users and serious adventurers alike. One of its standout features is the built-in GPS support. Imagine being able to track your outdoor escapades, from mountain biking down rugged trails to measuring your speed while surfing the waves. This camera is designed to meet your needs and enhance your outdoor experiences, allowing you to document your adventures in real time. Moreover, if you're budget conscious, you'll be pleased to know that the Hero 11 often becomes more affordable during major sales events like Black Friday or Cyber Monday. This flexibility makes it easier to invest in a quality piece of technology without breaking the bank. Ultimately, the Hero 11 is crafted with you in mind, whether you're out exploring nature or capturing everyday moments. Its blend of impressive functionality and user-friendly features ensures that you can easily document and share your experiences with friends and family. So, if you're looking for a camera that combines quality, value, and versatility, consider choosing the Hero 11 to align perfectly with your active lifestyle. At number 2, GoPro Hero 12 Black Action Camera. If you're considering a GoPro, the Hero 12 is an excellent choice that elevates your adventure capturing experience. One of its standout features is its impressive battery life, allowing you to capture more moments without the hassle of frequent recharges. Imagine heading out on a day filled with activities, knowing your camera has the stamina to keep up with you. The Hero 12 also boasts advanced smart stabilization technology, ensuring your footage remains smooth and professional, even in the most chaotic situations. Whether you're mountain biking, surfing, or just exploring, you'll appreciate how it handles movement, making every adventure look stunning. Compared to its predecessor, the Hero 11, the battery performance of the Hero 12 has significantly improved, providing reliable operation without the overheating issues that have plagued older models. However, it's important to note that if GPS tracking is crucial for your adventures, you may want to consider the Hero 11. GoPro removed GPS support in the Hero 12 due to low usage stats, but your unique requirements might lead you to prefer it. In summary, the Hero 12 Black stands out for its enhanced battery life and innovative features, making it ideal for newcomers eager to capture their experiences. Get ready to explore, document, and share your adventures confidently, knowing you have a top-of-the-line action camera at your side. And finally, the number 1 of our list, GoPro Hero 11 Black Mini Action Camera. Last year, GoPro introduced the Hero 11 Mini, a compact version of its flagship camera that has garnered attention for its portability. Weighing in at just a fraction of its predecessors, the Hero 11 Mini is designed for those of you who prioritize lightweight functionality. Perfect for mounting on helmets or other gear where you'll be on the move and not looking at the screen. However, it's important to note that this model lacks a display, which can make controlling it a bit challenging. You'll rely on the GoPro app from your phone to adjust settings and start capturing, and some users have found this experience frustrating. If you're considering the Hero 11 Mini, it's best suited for specific situations like extreme sports or hands-free activities where weight matters more than ease of control. If lightweight performance is your primary concern, the Hero 11 Mini delivers, allowing you to capture stunning footage without the added bulk. That said, if you value an intuitive user experience and quick access to features, you might want to explore other options in GoPro's lineup. In the end, your choice should reflect how you plan to use the camera. If you like to push your limits and need a camera that won't weigh you down, this could be the right fit for those targeted adventure moments. Just be prepared for a learning curve when it comes to controlling the Mini. As always, you will find all the links of these products in the description below. Comment below and tell us which GoPro camera you are considering. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, then like and share this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more amazing videos like this.